Today I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to begin projector mapping and how to use an easy software that I found called OpenShot Video Editor. To begin, I want to talk about what projector you should use to do a projector mapping show on your house. I found the Epson L210SF to have the brightest colors in this price range. It is a 4000 lumen projector. It's a short throw, which means you won't have to put it very far from your house. And it has pretty vivid colors and brightness in both color and white. I have used Optoma projectors in the past, but I thought Epson to have the most vivid colors and the best image quality. Whatever projector you use, just try to make sure it's a short throw and it's bright, depending on what the color of your house is and how far away you can put your projector. But once you find a projector, you're going to want to head over to the Digital Pressworks website. This is a website where you can, first of all, buy shows if you don't want to make your own, but also to find information on FM transmitters, how to build an enclosure, radio station signs, etc. It has some really good links and really good information on how to do a projector mapping show from scratch. What you're going to want to do is head over to software and download the correct version for your device. I have a Mac, so I'm going to be downloading that. Once you download it, if you have a newer Mac, it might say that it cannot be opened. Just click OK, head over to Settings, Privacy, and then you're going to want to click on Open Anyway at the bottom. After that, you can click on Open, and you're going to see the screen with a cursor on it. You're going to want to go outside and hook up your computer to your projector with an HDMI cable and set the projector where you know you're going to have it for the show. You cannot move the projector once you set it up and do the map of your house. So you're going to want to set it up however far you need to get the entire house, like I did. See, I just want to project on this border of the house. So I set it up far enough to where it got both corners, hooked up my computer, and you're going to want to trace out the lines of all the windows. Just take your cursor, take your time, and go over each of the windows, garage, archways, doors, anything over your house. The more detailed it is, the more you can do with your map later on in your show. You're going to keep going until you have something that looks like this, projected onto your house. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click on the File button, Save, and then give it a name. And once you save it, you're going to have something that looks like this. Now, what you can do is you can download this free software that I found called OpenShot. You're going to click on Download. Click on Download here, and it'll start downloading. I'm going to leave all these links to Projector, OpenShot, all the software I'm using, also some Amazon links in the video description below. I already have OpenShot downloaded. So once you open it, let's give it a second. It's going to look like this. Essentially, OpenShot is a normal video editor where you can add unlimited tracks on top of one another. And using that, you can add different masks over different videos and add different video elements on top of one another. So you're going to open a new project. It automatically opens as a default here. What you're going to want to do is find some sort of video material. You can try YouTube, some video elements. See, I just searched in Christmas tree with a green screen, and you can find some different effects on there. There's also some people like Philips Projections that gives away some video elements on their website. If you want to visit this video, you can find this candy cane effect. To try to Google any video elements you can find. A great resource to download this video is 4K Video Downloader. It's a free app that you can find on Mac and Windows to download any YouTube video by just a link. So once you download your videos and have it on your computer, you see I have a bunch of elements here that I've collected over the past few months. So once you have some videos that you'd like to use, you can import them into OpenShot. by clicking the plus button right here. Open up this candy cane stripes video. It's going to show here in your project files, and you can click and drag that into the timeline. Now, if you click on play, you can see it shows an exact rectangle of the video. But what we want is to cut out the video to the outline of the house. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Just go to Photopea. It's a easy to use photo editing software similar to Photoshop, but there's no download required. You just open it from Safari or any browser. You're going to want to open your house map. Here it is. And you're going to want to select whatever you want outlined. Just to make it easier, I'm going to select outside here. I'm going to click on inverse. And what I'm going to do is click the delete button. And you can see it deleted most of what I wanted. You can take the eraser button and erase the outline of the house. See, like I'm doing here. Whatever you want the video to show on, you can erase it and make it transparent in this software. You can save it, and you're going to have something that looks like this, where the gray color is the outline of the house. Once you save that to your computer, you can go ahead and go to OpenShot. You can import that file, and you can put that over your video file in your timeline. And as you can see, it automatically cut out the video file and is playing underneath the mask. So what you can do is you can map out, let's say, just the windows and have the video play over just the windows. Whatever you want the video to show on, just make that part of this map transparent. So you can do different things here. I can add a track above this. I can add some more. Let's say I wanted to add this video of snow falling. This is a video here. You can see the background is black. So if I wanted to get rid of the background in OpenShot, I can drag this into the timeline. To take out the background, you're going to go to Effects. You're going to click on Chroma Key, drag and drop it. Then you're going to double click the C button, and you're going to click on Key Color. And this is whatever color you want to remove from the video. So it's automatically set to black. So I'm going to leave that as is. And this is how much of the video, the threshold for it's basically a green screen effect. The threshold for that, you're going to want to set to the max based on the video you have. And what it's going to do is delete any of the black behind the snowflakes. You can change the key color to green if it's a green screen, purple if it's purple background. Whatever you want to remove from the video, just select that color and set the threshold to add video effects is add a video in the timeline here. And let's say I wanted to project something on a garage or a window or some blank open space. I'm going to click on add track above, drag the video into the timeline, take that video, and you can just pinch and rotate it any way you want. Let's say you want to put it in the shape of the garage. You can make it smaller, rotate it, put it in the corner, and export your video like that. So again, I think this is a really easy to use software. You don't have to make house masks and different things like you do in DaVinci Resolve and other projector mapping software, but you can just add different video effects on top of one another. Just make sure the most important part is that transparent map, that you make whatever part of the video you don't want projected transparent. It's an app you can use on your phone that creates AI facades of your house. Basically, what you're going to want to do is take that house map, the black and white one that we made earlier, and upload it to the app, and then click on AI facades and add whatever effect you want it to make. A gingerbread house, a Christmas scene, winter wonderland, and it's going to make these images of your house. completely using AI, what you're going to do is take a black marker in the Photo P app and cross out the sections around the house here and add it into your projector mapping shows. Once you do that, this is a show that I had made last Christmas. As you can see, I just made the outline of my house transparent, added different video effects on it, some music. I also used the AI facades in some of them. Have your projector set up. This is what my show looked like on my house last Christmas. I was using an Optoma projector. As you can see, the colors aren't the best, but the Epson projector I recommended has pretty vivid colors. Again, I'll be leaving all these links and resources that I used in my video description below, and also some Amazon links if it's helpful for you. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.